Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can enhance any image inside Canva. Basically you can see on the right side this is the enhanced image and you can see the teeth and also the eyes and the skin, everything is very clear and crystal clear with some effects. And you can see the original image, this is very dull and not have much details, and you can do it completely free inside Canva, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'm just going to delete both of the images from here and also the text. Now what you need to do, you just need to go to this section, it's called apps. From here you need to search enhancer. You can see this enhancer. This is basically a apps inside Canva. You can use it to use AI to enhance your old or not clear images to enhance and have more details to it. So just open this first one, enhancer. So once you launch the app, you can see this option to upload the image. Through this option you can just click on the choose file. So this is our old image. I can just open it and show you how it look like right now. So if I open it, you can see this is not very clear, so I'm just going to open it and now click on enhance events. So there is one more option, enhance faces. So if you have a large image like a big image with some details, other background and some people, then you can also enable this, then it will automatically enhance the face also. But here I only have the face, just headshot, so this is not need to turn this on. Then click on enhance image. So it will take some time because it will upload your photo and process it through AI, and this is very easy in Canva because you don't have to pay for any subscription, and this is my basic Canva, not a premium one. You can do it completely free. So let's wait for processing the image, and after it's done I will show you how it's done out. So our image is done. Now you can just add to design by clicking here, and now you can see if I just make it large, you can see how clear it is and how is the details. So you can see the image is completely clear with all the details, the ring and also the teeth. You can see the original image how it looked like. So if I just open the original image, and you will be able to see the difference here. You can see this is the difference with this is the old image and this is the new image. So it's completely changed how it looks. So this is the way how you can enhance any image inside Canva. I hope this video helped and you learned something new. If you like the video, hit the like button and also comment if you have any other request on tutorials through Canva. I will help you out. So thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.